Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you like these videos and want more, be sure to subscribe. We're here to share content that's simple and useful. Let's get started.
Replacing your Eero gateway is a simple process that keeps your home network running fast. The gateway is the main unit connected directly to your modem. You might need to replace it if you upgrade to a newer model or if your current device stops working. First, open the Eero app on your smartphone. Make sure your Bluetooth is turned on. Tap on the Settings tab at the bottom of the screen. Look for the option labeled Network Settings. From there, select Replace Eero Device. The app will guide you through the physical swap. Start by unplugging the power cord from your old Eero. Remove the Ethernet cable that connects it to your modem. Now, take your new Eero out of the box. Connect the Ethernet cable from your modem into any port on the back of the new unit. Plug the power adapter into a wall outlet and connect it to the Eero. Wait for the status light on the front to start blinking blue. This means the device is ready to pair. Tap the button in the app to begin the setup. The app will search for the new gateway and transfer all your existing settings automatically. Your network name and password will remain exactly the same. All your smart home gadgets and computers will reconnect without any extra work. The light on the Eero will turn solid white once the connection is successful. This transition usually takes less than 10 minutes to complete. Your new gateway is now the heart of your mesh system. You can recycle your old unit or use it as an extra node.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.